Dude, the cops are on a stakeout?
We just escaped from a mental institution. There's dead bodies everywhere. Of course they're on a stakeout. They think you're crazy enough to come back home. So are you? Crazy?
Do you think I am?
Either that or you're lying to me.
I'm not crazy. And I have a really good reason why I'm lying to you.
What is it?
Why there's a dead Pakistani on my couch?
He's not dead, Ma.
Well, he's not breathing.
He's not?
It's okay, Carmen. We have a plan.
A plan? What are you talking about?
He's breathing. Kind of. Dad, we gotta go now.
Oh, what was happening?
Mom, please.
No, Mom, please, me. Why are you all over the news? Do you know what they are telling about you?
Yeah, Mom, I know. Look, everything's gonna make sense, I promise.
It better.